Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the Java Virtual Machine Process Status tool. This is a very handy tool if you want to list the Java processes running in your machine, as well as if you want to know what all memory tuning arguments have been passed to your Java application. So I'm going to start by running the JPS JPS hyphen MVL command, and here you can see there are three Java processes running in this machine, and this is the one. This is for IntelliJ, and this is for the JPS itself, and this is for Tomcat. So 1128, 1060, and 15080. So you have three Java processes running in this machine. And now if I want to kill a Java process with a process ID, what I will do is task kill /i m /f 1128. So, and this should, okay, I think I got to put it this way, and yeah, and this Java process would have been terminated. So you can see that Tomcat has been killed. And now if I run JPS hyphen MVL again, I will not be getting the Tomcat server in question here. So if you want to identify and kill only a particular Java process in your machine, this is a pretty good tool. Another tool that you can use is JCMD, and this will again show you what all Java processes is running in your machine. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.